Hello, fifth standard. For our environment, we are working with the lesson number 8, right? And this will be my second video related to lesson number 8. Okay. With my first video, I had given you some question answers, that is questions of page number 68. I had given you answers related to those questions. Hope you people have finished writing that in your notebook. Today we will go ahead with the same lesson, and on page number 69 you have one report. Here is the report, right? Now in this report you have everything detail written. ये टेस्ट रिपोर्ट है. जब हम अपना ब्लड टेस्ट करवाते हैं तो वो टेस्ट में फिर what it is, either it is fever or it is something else or it is nothing, report is normal. So वो सब हमें ऐसे रिपोर्ट में मिलता है, right? So here is the line question related to this report. So in with my last video I had given you question answers up to this only. I have not given you this one, right? Because this question is related to this report only. No need to do it in notebook. You can sort it out here only. Understood? Okay. Look at the report of the blood test given here. Which words in the report help us to know the person have malaria? So person को मलेरिया है, वो कौन से वर्ड से हमें पता चलेगा? So we can tell there is second last line. Last lines, one is written with English language and one is in Hindi language, right? If you people have your textbook, you can take it out and see it on page number 69. Malaria parasite found in blood sample. So by this we can find that Rajat was having malaria, right? Okay. Anemia, what's that? अब anemia मतलब क्या? Let us see. Aarti, you know I also had to get a blood test done, but they took a syringe full of blood. The blood test showed that I had anemia. What is that? Aarti, the doctor said that there is less hemoglobin or iron in the blood. The doctor gave some medicines to give me strength. He also said that I should eat jaggery, amla and more green leafy vegetables because these have iron. Nancy, how can there be iron in our blood? Jaskirat, there was something about this in the newspaper yesterday. Rajat, laughing. So then you ate iron or what? Aarti, silly. This is not the iron used to make these keys. I don't know exactly what it was. After I ate a lot of vegetables and whatever the doctor had said, my hemoglobin went up. So anemia क्या होता है? Now with this conversation we come to know anemia is one disease like when in our blood hemoglobin is less. Okay, जब hemoglobin less होता है, we can tell जब हमारी body में iron कम होता है. Okay, so iron, now it is not iron used in construction of buildings and all. Actually हमारे body में कई irons, vitamins, minerals use होते हैं. ओके, सो ये सब जो विटामिन्स एंड मिनरल्स, अब मिनरल्स इन फर्दर क्लासेस यू विल नो मिनरल्स हमें धरती में से भी बहुत सारे मिनरल्स मिलते हैं. इवन पेट्रोल एंड डीजल, दीज ऑल आर मिनरल्स, बट वो मिनरल हमारे बॉडी के रिलेटेड नहीं है. अंडरस्टूड? हमारी बॉडी में हमारे खाने के साथ कुछ मिनरल्स आयरन एंटर होते हैं विच गिव्स अस गुड स्ट्रेंथ टू वर्क. If we have sufficient iron and mineral in our body, then only our body will able to work properly. Okay, so here Aarti tells that only for test of anemia also she was told to do blood test, and रजत को तो पहले ही blood test करवाया था मलेरिया के लिए, right? Anemia common in Delhi school. Now this is one article of newspaper जिसमें ये बताया जा रहा है कि दिल्ली के एक स्कूल में अनेमिया जो है वो बहुत कॉमन है. How it is? Let us see. 17 November 2007, thousands of children studying in the municipal corporation schools in Delhi suffers from anemia. This is affecting both their physical as well as mental health. Due to anemia, children do not grow well and their energy level are low. This also affects their ability to study properly. Now, health checkups are being done in the school to help, and health cards are made for all the children. Anemia children are also being given iron tablet. Iron tablets are also being provided to anemia children ताकि उनकी बॉडी में जो रिक्वायर्ड आयरन की क्वांटिटी है वो सफिशिएंट हो. ओके, सी एक सिंपल सी बात है, अगर हमें हल्का सा बुखार भी हो तो भी हमारा our body feels very lazy and we people don't like to work. Yes, हमें वर्क करना तभी अच्छा लगता है जब हम फुल एनर्जेटिक होते हैं. ओके, तो जस्ट इमेजिन कीजिए अगर आपके बॉडी में कुछ ब्लड सेल्स या हीमोग्लोबिन कम हो जाए जिसकी वजह से आपकी बॉडी बहुत लो फील कर रही है, वी विल नॉट फील इंटरेस्टेड टू डू वर्क, राइट? तो वही चीज़ यहाँ पर हो रही थी. Children of Delhi school was not able to concentrate on their studies properly. Okay, now tell. Now see this, actually you have two reports given here. One is both of these reports are of RT, but one report was taken on 20th June 2007 and another report was taken on 15th September 2007. अब ये रिपोर्ट्स के रिलेटेड आपके पास कुछ क्वेश्चंस हैं. यू कैन सॉर्ट आउट दीज क्वेश्चंस इन बुक इटसेल्फ. रीड द क्वेश्चन, सी प्लीज ट्राई टू डू इट ऑन योर ओन दिस एक्टिविटी. आपको क्वेश्चन पढ़ना है और ये इसी के रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस हैं. सो जस्ट गो थ्रू दिस, रीड द क्वेश्चन, go through again and find answer and write. Understood? Directly, simply you can write answers over here to sort out these questions. Okay everyone, that will be your activity to do. Okay, now on page number 71, ask a doctor or elder about the food items which contains iron. डॉक्टर या बड़ों से पूछिए कि खाने की कौन सी चीज़ों में आयरन अवेलेबल होता है. See here you can write for example spinach, then for example cabbage. These all things are having vegetables especially. Okay, now spinach and cabbage की बात करें तो both are green vegetables. So green vegetables में iron ज़्यादा available होता है. Understood? Okay. Next one is baby mosquitoes. Now here we have different topic. In today's video we discussed about anemia. In earlier video we discussed about malaria. So mosquitoes के बारे में अवेयर करना, लोगों को क्या स्टेप उठाने चाहिए कि मलेरिया जैसी बीमारी ना हो. For all that we will continue in our next video. Till that, see that you solve activity or I can tell exercise on your own of page number 70 and 2 questions on page number 71. Okay everyone, thank you.